Ooh. I personally don't enjoy jasmine note a lot. If it has a lot of jasmine, this is a no for me. But this one, hello and welcome to another episode of Scent Explorer. Today we are going to explore Kashti fragrances that are ultra niche natural fragrances that are made with pure natural ingredients. And I had been waiting for these for a long time. So let's test these. So today we have few more over here. So let's get them out. I'm first going to explore these two perfumes. So first we are going to see this one. This is Jasmine Musk Bespoke. So I think it might be some of the releases Divyam Trivedi hasn't released yet. So let's test this out and see how it actually evolves. Now, for me, I really love these creations because this is pure art with natural ingredients. So let's spray it. Ooh. I personally don't enjoy jasmine note a lot. If it has a lot of jasmine, this is a no for me. But this one here, jasmine, whatever the jasmine has been used, it's very elegant. It's an elegant floral jasmine. Yes, it's mostly jasmine. So I would say it is just the musk and jasmine combination. For me, I it is not going to be my favorite, but if you like jasmine and if you like pure jasmine, if you are a woman, I highly recommend that you try this one. This is Jasmine Musk Bespoke. Okay, so I think it will have musk grains, pure musk grains that are going to have a very kind of like deep musky note or undertones to this jasmine. Yes, there is some musk and there is some roundness to it that I'm sensing in the background, but most of it is jasmine. It's pure jasmine with musk. So there might be some sandalwood. If you have sniffed pure jasmine oil, you might know what I'm talking about. So this is Jasmine Sambac, very high quality, very lovely. So if you like jasmine perfumes, you have to try this out. This is called Jasmine Musk Bespoke, and I would recommend it for women. Now, for the ratings, for scent profile, it is simple, but it is, as you already know, it's natural and high-end kind of perfume. So I would give it 7 out of 10. And for performance, I think it is going to perform very well because jasmine, when it is put in others or perfumes, it actually increase their longevity. So they are going to stay more on your skin or on your clothes. So I think I will give it 8 out of 10 for performance. So this is my review about Jasmine Musk Bespoke from Kashti Fragrances. I really hope that you are enjoying this series. You can also watch other, natural perfume series from Kashti. I have reviewed 5 of them right now and reviewing the 6th in the next video. And I hope to see you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If you have anything, you can leave it in the comment section below. You can read the description, and I will also put the link to the website of Kashti. You can buy the fragrances, and see you soon in another video. Bye bye.